You know when you see a new app feature and think, wait, haven't I seen this before? Yeah, let's dig into that.
It's all-out war for your screen time, and Instagram's latest weapon just dropped.
It's called Instants. Think quick, raw, disappearing photos, totally separate from your perfect main feed.
The whole idea is real life, real quick. No filters, no edits, just, well, instant moments.
And if that sounds familiar, well, it should. They're looking right at Snapchat and Be Real.
So the features are what you'd expect. Pics disappear, no camera roll uploads, and it's just for close friends.
So why would Instagram straight up copy its rivals? Well, it all comes down to one key audience.
They're trying to win back Gen Z, the generation that's over the pressure to post perfect content.
It's a classic growth play. More sharing means you stick around longer, all inside Meta's world.
But, the rollout hasn't been super smooth. In fact, it's kind of annoying people.
People are saying this new icon is just there. It's in a super annoying spot, cluttering up their chats. And the interface is so confusing that, whoops, people are accidentally sending photos they didn't mean to.
There's actually a term for this. It's called cognitive load. The design just makes your brain work too hard. You're trying to chat, and suddenly you have to think about a photo feature. It's an irritating interruption.
Okay, so what does this have to do with your bank? Well, this exact same strategy is happening in finance.
You know how in India you have to do that KYC process over and over? That's a huge point of friction.
So now the government's pushing for a one KYC system. The idea? Do it once and you're done.
So instead of repeating it for your bank, insurance, and funds, you just do one simple digital KYC.
See the pattern? For Instagram, the friction is perfect posts. For KYC, it's paperwork. Same solution, make it easier.
So here's the final question. In this race for our attention, what's actually helpful and what's just digital junk?